What country is this, friends?
India.
What country is this, madam? Madam, what country is this? Madam, what country is this, madam? Illyria? And what should I do in Illyria? My brother, he is in Elysium. Perchance, he is not wrong. What do you think, madam? What do you think? What do you think? For women like me, the world is cruel. And what should I do?
Hey Mookamma, you heard the news, huh? The king is not stopping his hunt to win Madam Olivia's heart, Andy.
Amma, poor fellow. That woman is closing door for every man, even to weakest guys.
Apdiya, enna ponno enavo. Just because her brother passed away, she shouldn't avoid all men like this.
Say, Dandy, va polam.
For saying so, there is code. My own escape unfaulted my hope. I should disguise as a man and work as a matchmaker for Asino. Then I should tie the man with his love and secure my empty stomach with the reward.
Got it.
I am bored. Literally bored. Look at the couple over there. No masala. Always uttering, I love you, my love. And the other goes like, oh my love, you are the love of my life. You are my darling. I am so lucky to have you. Mind-blowing love. Blah, blah. Look at this disgustingly admirable lovers. All these I love yous will collapse with single point called infidelity. Need a demo? Wait and watch. Oh, honey, how are you? You look sick. Oh, baby.
Excuse me, miss, but who are you?
Me? Who is me? Honey, did you forget the time we spent together? I never thought you could forget me this quick. Unbelievable.
Excuse me, what's happening here?
Man, this man over here cheated on me and left me astray.
This is utter nonsense. Heavens forbid. எனக்கு இந்த பொண்ணு யாருமே தெரியாது. Please, என்னை நம்புங்க. I don't even know who she is.
I think the woman was saying is true. A woman will never lie in this regard.
Mary. No, Mary. No, don't leave me.
Let's break up.
No, Mary.
Man, that's a sense of satisfaction. Yes, bluff.
You would appreciate even this bestowed upon you. What a sense of divinity with my name. How noble, how gentle.
Yeah. Enough of your tribulations and tantrums. Tell me the good news of the world. Tell me all of them. But the love, the ones who are together, the budding ones, the morata singers, the one-siders. Tell me everything.
Yes, your majestic lord. If only you give me a kiss.
I would rather kiss your feet.
Actually, the king Orsino is not willing to give upon his love on Olivia, whereas we have his uncle Sir Andrew, who wants Olivia at time of Malvolio.
Wow, that tastes delicious. Bluff, we shall look for every ways to make this interesting story. Deal?
Deal, my love.
Love.